Why China uses one time zone or France uses 12. Intro. Have you ever wondered why China, one of the widest countries on earth, uses just one time zone, while France has more time zones than any country in the world? This strange difference reveals how politics, geography, and daily life shape the clocks we follow. Part 1. How time zones should work. Earth rotates once in 24 hours, so ideally, 360 degrees divided by 24 equals 15 degrees per time zone. Straight vertical lines. But if we followed this rule strictly, cities would be split into different times, creating total chaos. So humans redesigned time. Part 2. China, one country, one clock. China stretches across 5 natural time zones, but officially uses only China Standard Time, UTC-8. Why? National unity. One clock, one nation. Central control. Easy governance from Beijing. Economic coordination. Markets, trains, offices run together. Political stability prevents regional separation. The strange reality. In western China, Xinjiang, Kashgar, sunrise can be after 10 am. People go to work while it's still dark. Suryast. Locals often follow an unofficial Xinjiang time for daily life, but government offices still use Beijing time. China chooses political unity over sunlight. Part 3. France, the time zone champion. France officially has 12 time zones, the most in the world. Why? Because France has overseas territories spread across Caribbean, South America, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean. Examples: Paris UTC-1, French Guiana UTC-3, Guadeloupe UTC-4, Reunion UTC-4, French Polynesia UTC-10. France allows different time zones because territories are far apart. One time would disrupt daily life, local culture, or rhythm matter. France chooses human comfort over uniformity. Part 4. China vs France. Country time zones used. Philosophy. China 1, unity or control. France 12, geography or people. Conclusion. Time zones are not about the sun alone. They reflect how nations choose to organize life. China bends nature to politics. France bends time to people.